Hello everyone, welcome back to Khmerue Team Officer channel. In this video tutorial I will show you or take you how to unlock passcode that have been locked on iPhone. It is here, and I will show you how to hard reset by using your account with your iPhone's device. So make sure that you have using that account or your own account. You still can hard reset it by using your PC without connection. So, and make sure that you have using the data connection or network connection that it look like it has already turned on here, that 4G. And now go ahead to your PC and then click to log in your account like iCloud.com here. Okay, now go ahead and check out the iCloud.com, and you will see on the part below is find my phone here. And now you need to add the password. And here's add the password and then sign in. If you have one or more than one device, you need to play sound first, because to avoid something that is confusing. So in this my account, I have 6 of iPhone device. So you make sure that you can play the sound with that first to know which is the real. So now go ahead and click on play sound here to know which is your phone. And the sound is playing now. And now just go ahead and click on erase this phone. And now click erase. And now put the password inside it. And then click OK. And here's the step 2. Go to step 2 and take me a mistake. Chất 4 And now you have to put the verification code 91665. Okay, and you have to click on the trust here. And now look, let's check out the phones that it will be erasing now. And click next and click done here. And now everything is going to be erased, look like that. And the phone will be erasing. And wait for a few seconds. Okay, now everything is starting to erase inside your phone now. It looks like this. Okay, it will be restart and start to erase everything like that. and okay, and you can see on the screen here at a erase less than a minute ago, and the phone is starting to erase like this, so it can take some minutes to complete this erasing. After this erase, you can put back your iCloud. It can help you when you forgot a password or when you forgot the screen password. That can help you to do with this solution. So I think this video is helpful for some people that they forgot the screen password or they forgot anything. So now everything is already deleted, and now click home here and select your language, your regions, and check or use the data connection here, or if you have Wi-Fi connection, you should use it with that Wi-Fi. Okay, and here is the way that you can put back your iCloud back. So put it back, put your iCloud back. Okay, now put back your iCloud and click on the next here. Wrong password, so I need to type it again. Okay, now put the password to again, and then click on the next here. Oh, I have wrong here, so I need to correct .com. Okay, now click on next. Okay, we forgot to put disable location. Okay, set up continues, cancel, set up later, continues. Passcode option, if you don't want to add passcode, so choose continues, and here set up a new phone, or you can say this, I don't have an Apple ID because we already set up or add it in a few moments ago, and then click agree here, click on agree. Okay, don't share, and select once and then click on the next, and here we are that everything is working now. So thank you for watching my video tutorials. I hope you guys understand how to if you forgot your screen password, you can do this. So thank you for watching.